This video tutorial I will explain what is Software Development Lifecycle or SDLC. Imagine you are planning a big project like building a house. You would not just start hammering the nails and laying bricks randomly, correct? You would have planned like a step-by-step process to guide you from the idea stage all the way to a finished house. Similarly, for creating software, we have a Software Development Lifecycle or SDLC. SDLC is a structured approach to building a software that ensures it is done efficiently, correctly, and meets the need of the people who will use the software. Here you can see the different stages of SDLC: planning, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Now we will see what is each stage is. First one is planning. In case of building a house, you would plan the layout of rooms and features for your house. Same way, to create the software, in the planning stage of SDLC, you figure it out what the software needs to do, and you gather requirements, set goals, and make a roadmap for project. The second one is design. In case of building a house, in the design phase, you sketch out the blueprints for your house. In case of software development, you design the user interface, class and sequence diagrams, and architecture of the software. And in the design phase, you will decide how everything will work together. Third one is development. In development phase, we start the building. Like developers write the code based on the designs. It is like the construction phase of your house project, like putting up walls, installing plumbing and wiring, and so on. Fourth one is testing. You would not move into the house without making sure everything works properly, correct? Similarly, in software development, testers check the software to find and fix any bugs or issues. And testers make sure the software does what it's supposed to do and works smoothly. Fifth one is deployment. This is when the software is ready to be released to the users. It is like moving to the new house and inviting guests to see the house. The software is installed on the servers or devices so people can start using it. The last one is maintenance. After you have moved into your house, you might need to do the repairs or upgrades over the time. Similarly, software needs regular maintenance. Developers release updates, fix bugs, and make improvements to keep the software running smoothly and up to date. SDLC is like a roadmap that guides software developers through the entire process of creating, testing, deploying, and maintaining the software, ensuring that it is done efficiently and effectively, just like building a house. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.